Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to discuss JasmyCoin and its token Jasmy, conduct machine learning based price forecast, regression analysis, accumulation strategies, and estimated bull run target. None of the content is financial advice. Let's get started. The reason we are going to talk about Jasmy today, over the last 24 hours, the token has rallied by about 27%. By market cap, again above 1.5 billion, volume, a healthy volume of about 500 million, almost one third of the market cap. Does have a healthy circulating supply. About 99.9% of the max supply is in circulation for 50 billion max supply. So if you look at the price versus market cap growth over the last year or so, you can see this is the market cap chart, this is the price chart. So essentially one and the same chart. So any growth in market cap gets reflected back in price. That is because the tokenomics is essentially 100% released. If we look at the machine learning based price forecast for Jasmy, this is again the current price of Jasmy is at around 3.2 cents. If we this is the machine learning model trained in house using techniques such as ARIMA, seasonal ARIMA, XGBoost, and LSTM. The bull case for Jasmy in the next 6 months per the model is again trained on since the token was launched till today, between 3.7 cents to all the way about 10x of that to about 34 cents. So that's the bull case. If there is a bearish pullback, the price could be less than a cent, about 75% of a cent, and between 2.2 cents and about 75% of the cent. The base case is essentially a sideways. So this is the non-euphoria bull case for Jasmy. If there is a euphoria case, again, this is quite out of the ordinary at this point in time. So we'll stick to the one standard deviation non-euphoria bull case as our baseline. If we go to analyzing Jasmy in terms of the regression based model, the polynomial regression based function, which is in this pink line, says that the fair value for Jasmy is at around 4.4 cents. So right now the price is undervalued per the polynomial regression model. Again, the support for Jasmy is at around 2 cents. If we look at the bull market years for Jasmy, again in 2021, this token was launched during the bullish phase. You can see that one standard deviation residuals applied to the fair value again are typical in a bull market. That valuation for Jasmy is roughly at around 9.3 cents, so about 3x from the current level. That's the one standard deviation support. The two standard deviation support is, or two standard deviation not support but a ceiling, is at around 19.6 cents. So about, roughly speaking, a 20 cent Jasmy could be a peak for Jasmy if it were to peak now. If let's say the peak is 6 months into the future, we do have a model for that, the DCA model, which establishes what the again, this is price color coded with respect to the DCA risk, or the polynomial regression based risk. Wherever the price is too far gone from the polynomial regression function, that's how the color codes are assigned. Again, the higher risk code are in red, the lower risk codes are in purple. Again, we're not too long ago, the price was in low risk environment. If we apply a two standard deviation peak residual applied to the price action, and again we extend this into the future, the price in let's say 6 months from now, the two standard deviation ceiling could be at around 27 cents instead of 20 cents now to where it is right now. So that's one way to predict. And also again, as of yesterday, you can see the risk levels were fairly lucrative for Jasmy. The risk levels was at around 11%. Again, the best time to DCA. Right now it's at around 15%, so definitely not the worst time to DCA per the model. If you are looking at some price based risk target at some of the key levels, again a moderate target for Jasmy is between at 50% risk is at around 8 cents till about 12 cents. That is the between 50% and 80% risk. 0.5 and 0.8 risk is between surprisingly between 8 cents and 12 cents, and anything about 12 cents between 12 cents and 15 cents is kind of high risk at this point in time. If we were looking at Jasmy through the lens of SMA or the simple moving average based risk, it's a 50-50 right now. 50% upside, 50% downside. Some of the key targets over this is between 17 cents and about 22 cents. So this is a longer term model than the DCA model, and we have a composite of all the three models. The third model is time weighted average price. Essentially the price has been lower than the time weighted average price, so not much useful of a model for Jasmy at least. If we are looking at the estimated bull run peak for Jasmy per this model, a 3 cent Jasmy represents about a weighted risk of about 16%. A bull run peak estimated based on the weighted risk model is at around 20 cents, representing about 6.2x 6.1x reward from the current price of about 3.2 cents. And if we were to look at this 20 cents level as a target, again there is a lot of confluence between the target, at least at the estimated bull run case scenario, as well as the DCA model establishing the 2 standard deviation ceiling at around 27 cents, like we saw in the future. Again, the future bull case between 12 cents and about 27-28 cents, as well as the 27 cents as a regression based 2 standard deviation ceiling for Jasmy coming in at about 20 cents. So with that, I would like to conclude the video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. And before I let you go, I'll share that the content that we saw on the screen today, all the charts are available on cryptoweeklies.com for free. You don't have to pay or sign up for anything, and they're again without any ads or something. So please do take that into consideration, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.